Let's kick this off with a question. Drop a comment if you've got piercings, or if you don't, because that's the whole theme of today's video. We'll dive into stats, psychology, and by your likes, we'll know if we should make part 2 about the medical side of piercings. So, piercing. It's both the process and the result, but here we're talking about the result, the shiny metal in your skin. When did humans first decide to poke holes in themselves for decoration? Nobody knows. Archaeologists find jewelry in graves, but the flesh is long gone, so how it was attached is a mystery. Fast forward to now. A 2017 survey of Americans with piercings found 2/3 had 3 or fewer piercings. Only 1% had more than 20. Translation: most people keep it modest. The most popular spots: ears, lips, tongue, nose, belly button, nipples, and yes, genitals. We're living in one of the most tolerant eras for piercings, but prejudices still exist. How do people perceive piercings? It depends. Back in 2014, a Russian survey found 53% of respondents disliked piercings. Other studies are all over the place. Some link piercings to risky behavior, others to creativity and openness. Basically, science can't agree. Take 2008. Psychology professor Sarah Martino at Stockton University showed 105 students photos of women with facial piercings. The models were rated less religious, more creative, artistic, and mysterious. Meanwhile, a 2006 study in Quebec looked at 2,000 teens. Those with piercings were more likely to experiment with drugs, gambling, crime, and, shock horror, attend raves. Another study from Tennessee surveyed 1,375 students. Pierced students scored higher on openness to new experiences but lower on conscientiousness. And in 2012, French researchers tested the link between piercings, tattoos, and alcohol. They literally breathalyzed people leaving bars. Result: pierced folks were more intoxicated on average. So what's the takeaway? Research reflects the biases of the researchers. If a scientist thinks piercings are rebellious, they'll design a study that proves it. If they see piercings as self-expression, they'll find creativity and openness. That's cognitive bias in action. Piercing isn't just modern fashion, it's ancient culture. In many African tribes, lip plates and ear stretching symbolized beauty, maturity, or social status. Native American groups used piercings in rituals, often linking them to spirituality and bravery. In India, nose piercings have been traditional for centuries, tied to Ayurveda and cultural identity. Even ancient Egyptians wore earrings and body jewelry as signs of wealth and divine protection. So when you see someone with a piercing today, remember, it's not just style. It's part of a global tradition stretching back thousands of years. At the end of the day, whether to pierce or not is your choice. Just remember, safety first. Consequences matter. Your head isn't only for piercings. It's also for sending a nerve impulse to your hand to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And that's baby science for you.